Oh, what's up? Howdy, friends. I didn't see you there. And vinyl lovers. Today we're talking about Prince and the Revolution. This is a one-step mastering. Pretty excited to unbox this guy. Actually, I already unboxed it, so more of a vinyl review. Sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty darn tootin'. Unbox everything in just a second, go through all the goodies and stuff inside, but pretty excited. I was pretty excited to give this a gander. 4,066 out of 6,000. So they are released to 6,000 out there. It's a one-step mastering, though this is looks like it's a digital source one-step, so it's not from the actual tapes. Very interesting. Still has that kick to it, though I do say out of all the one-steps coming out, I really like the DSS sound series. Really, the REM one I did last. I unboxed that one a couple weeks ago. That was really good. This one doesn't punch as hard, but on songs like When Doves Cry, the drums on that really hits hard. It's really good stuff. Did kind of expect a little bit more highs on it all overall for what you're paying for it, because it's about $100 for the album. But overall, it sounds really good. I'm still the best copy I've heard ever, so it's still really good. Originally released June 25th, 1984. Very cool. Prince has always got something good. He is insane. So definitely, if you're looking for a nice punch sounding good album, it sounds great. Really sounds great all the way through. Just I did expect a little bit more out of the one step for what you're paying. I did like the Definitive Sound series, the REM one, and also listened to, they had another one that just came out too as well. The Beck one, that's supposed to be a really good one too as well. But definitely really killer album, worth listening to. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and show you everything inside. So thanks for watching. The neighbor's calling me to go help him with the chores. All right, I'll see you later. Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you.